As a customer experience designer at CityCool, your e-commerce manager wants to use program automation to welcome new customers to the brand, and she needs to create a campaign today. Fortunately, program blueprints provide ready-made templates that save time and take the guesswork out of building automated programs. The program blueprints, represented by the cards on the Create a Program page, have been designed by experts to allow you to build a successful automated program based on the top use cases. In this example, we will use the Simple Welcome blueprint to create a new customer welcome program. The first step in customizing a program blueprint is to give it a unique name. The next step is to choose a contact source for your program. On the Edit Program Settings page, select the database or query that contains the contacts that you want to add to the program. For this example, we only want to add newly opted-in customers from the database to the program, so we need to select Database Behavior from the list. This configuration ensures that customers are added to this program as soon as they opt into the database. You can enter a start date if you would like to schedule the program to start on a specific date in the future. Otherwise, the program will begin shortly after you activate it. The Simple Welcome blueprint contains two messages to welcome new customers to the brand. The first one, Welcome, contains a simple message and a link to the user's account login page. The second message, Social Recruit, encourages the users that have logged into their account to follow CityCool on social media sites like Twitter, Facebook, or Pinterest. The next step is to associate mailings to each of the touchpoints. Access the touchpoint configuration screen and select the interaction type. For this example, we will choose Send Email from the list. Click Configure and select a mailing template. Repeat the same steps for the other touchpoint in the flow. To view more information and a preview of the email, simply click on the touchpoint. Now we will configure the decision. If contacts do not meet the rules that you define in the rule-based path, they will be automatically routed to the remainder path and will be re-evaluated each time the program runs. On the Decision Configuration screen, access the Rule Builder. Much like the Query Builder, you can create criteria using profile, behavioral, relational table, or CRM criteria to route contacts down this path. For this welcome program, we can use the action of clicking the link in the first email as criteria for contacts to proceed to the next step. Contacts who do not click the link within the specified time frame will be routed to the remainder path. The Simple Welcome blueprint uses a 2-day wait before the decision to give users more time to perform the action. Otherwise, if the wait is set at 0 days, contacts are immediately evaluated by the decision rules. If you are finished building your program and do want contacts to be able to exit if they've completed all of the steps, simply drag and drop an exit onto the canvas. Grab the orange circle and drag it toward any of the allowed connection points on objects already present in the flow. When you are ready to go live with your program, you can activate it. With the help of program blueprints, your e-commerce manager now has a welcome program to engage new CityCool customers.